going on, everybody? Today I got a 2021 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to locate and change the cabin filter. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the glove box first. We're going to need to lower the glove box door because that's where the cabin filter is at. First step is going to be to disconnect this damper cord we have here. What we're going to do is push on it, disconnect. And we need to get the glove box lowered. To do that, I'm going to move these stoppers inwards, both sides, and then we can lower the glove box. Now the glove box will actually come off the hinges if you pull on it. Okay, get it totally out of the way. And the cabin filter is located right here in this compartment here. Just gonna squeeze these clips right here. And you can take the door off, and you can pull the cabin filter out. All right. And this one's not too bad, but to change it, it's going to take the element out of this retainer. Okay, we're going to reuse this plastic retainer right here. If you need a cabin air filter, I'll leave a link in the description box where you can get a new one. I'm not changing this one, but you're just going to throw it in the retainer, throw it back in here, and get your cover. And stick it right in here, left side in first. Flip it in. Get your glove box. Just close it like that. Just grab the damper here, hook it back up, close the glove box, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.